How to fix Wayfair app crashing. To fix the Wayfair app if it is keep crashing or closing unexpectedly, you could follow these troubleshooting steps. Now these methods address common causes like corrupted temporary files, outdated software, or connectivity issues. First thing first, what you want to do is open up settings onto your device. Go to the app section from the list, locate Wayfair, and you could go to storage and cache and simply clear your cache. While you're in the same section, you just want to exit out and go to the settings on your device. Here you have network and internet. You just want to make sure to open network and internet, and you could switch between mobile data or Wi-Fi. In some cases, that might also be able to help you out. Now, what next you could also do is here, if the issue still persists on, you could simply go ahead and close the running application or the background app, and you could just go ahead and hold on to your side button and then restart the device. Sometimes the temporary restart can also fix issues as well. And next, if the issue still persists on, you want to go to the Play Store and you just want to type in Wayfair, and you could simply go ahead and update the app to the latest version as well. So these are some of the things you could do in order to fix Wayfair app crashing. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.